Multiply. Express your answer if needed. So, how to multiply fractions? So, napakasimple lang. I-multiply lang natin ang numerators, then multiply the denominators. So, for example, 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 3, 12. At dahil mayroon pang numbers na divisible both sa 6 and 12 na walang remainder, so hahanapin natin ang GCF or greatest common factor nila. So ano ang GCF ng 6 and 12? So 6. So i-divide natin. 6 divided by 6, 1. 12 divided by 6, 2. So the final answer is 1 half. So 3/4 times 2/3 is equal to 1 half. Number 2, 5/8 times 1/4 is equal to n. So 5 times 1 or 5 times 1, 5. 8 times 4, 32. At dahil wala ng number na divisible both sa 5 and 32 or wala ng GCF, so ito na ang final answer. So 5/8 times 1/4 is equal to 5/32. Ito naman, number 3. 1/2 times 2/5 times 3/7 is equal to n. So, hanapin natin ang sagot. So, ganito lang. Multiply lang natin lahat ng numerators, then multiply lahat ng denominators. So, 1 times 2, 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 5, 10 times 7, 70. Ayan. At dahil express natin ito into simplest form, hahanapin natin ang GCF or greatest common factor. So, ano ang number na divisible both sa 6 and 70 na walang remainder? So, 2. So, i-divide natin sa 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 70 divided by 2 is 35. So, ito na ang final answer kasi ito na ang lowest form or lowest term. Number 4, 2 and 3/4 times 12 is equal to n. So, ito ay mixed number at ito ay whole number. So, ang gagawin natin ay gagawin muna itong mixed number into improper fraction. So, ganito lang. 4 times 2, 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. So, again, 4 times 2, 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. Copy the denominator. Then, copy the whole number 12. Then, lagyan ng 1 as denominator. Kasi kapag whole number, automatic na mayroon niyang 1 na denominator kapag gawin ang whole number into fraction. Then, i-multiply na natin. Numerator to numerator. 11 times 12 is equal to 132. 4 times 1, 4. And then, i-divide natin ito. 132 divided by 4. So, 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 divided by 4 cannot be borrow. So, 13. 13 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4, 12. 13 minus 12, 1. 1 divided by 4 cannot be bring down, borrow 2, bring down 2. 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 times 4, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. So, 132 divided by 4 is 33. So, the final answer is 33. Yan. Ito naman, fraction times whole number. So, ganito lang. 1 times 10, 10. 5 times 1, kasi diba pag whole number, automatic na mayroon niyang 1 na denominator. So, 5 times 1 is 5. Then 10 divided by 5, 2. So the final answer is 2. 1/5 times 10 is equal to 2. Then number 6, 20 times 2 and 3/5. So whole number times mixed number. So ang gagawin natin ay copy the whole number. Then itong mixed number ay gagawin natin into improper fraction. So ganito lang. 5 times 2, 10 plus 3, 13 over 5. Copy the denominator. And then multiply. 20 times 13 is equal to 260. Then 1 times 5 is 5. Kasi diba kapag whole number, mayroon niyang denominator na 1. And then i-divide natin 260 divided by 5. So 2 divided by 5 cannot be, so borrow, magiging 26. 26 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 5, 25. 26 minus 25, 1. 1 divided by 5 cannot be, borrow, bring down, 0. 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 times 5, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So 260 divided by 5 is 52. So the final answer is 52. Ito naman, number 7. 2/3 times 3 and 2/5 is equal to n. So fraction times mixed number. So ang gagawin natin ay copy first the first fraction, 2/3. Then itong mixed number ay gagawin natin into improper fraction. So 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17 over 5. Copy the denominator. Then multiply the numerators. 2 times 17 is equal to 34. Then multiply the denominators. 3 times 5, 15. Then divide. 34 divided by 15. 34 divided by 15 is 2. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 34 minus 30 is 4. So itong quotient ang magiging whole number. Then itong remainder ang magiging numerator. Then ito remain as denominator. So the final answer is 2 and 4 over 15. Then number 8, mixed number times mixed number. So 2 and 4/5 times 4 and 1/2 is equal to n. So ang gagawin natin, gawin muna natin ang mixed number into improper fraction. 5 times 2, 10 plus 4, 14 over 5. Copy the denominator 5. Then 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9 over 2. Copy the denominator 2. Then multiply the numerators. 14 times 9 is equal to 126. Then multiply the denominators. 5 times 2, 10. And then hahanapin muna natin ang GCF or greatest common factor nila. So ano ang number na divisible sa 126 and 10 na walang remainder? So 2. So 126 divided by 2 is 63. 10 divided by 2, 5. So dahil, so ito medyo maliit na. So pwede na natin itong i-divide. So 63 divided by 5. So 6 divided by 5, 1. 1 times 5, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 divided by 5 cannot be. Borrow, bring down 3. 13 divided by 5, 2. 2 times 5, 10. 13 minus 10, 3. So ito. Itong quotient ang magiging whole number. So, ang 3, ang remainder ang magiging numerator. At itong divisor ay magiging denominator. So, the final answer is 12 and 3/5.